Introducing the Hybrid Solutions Headlight Restoration Kit.
A lot of my old customers, they complain at nighttime when they have to drive the car. When they get yellow 3 or 4 or 5 years, the lights, you cannot see anything out of there.
So visibility comes into play when you're talking about headlights as well. And when they're hazed over, cloudy, you don't have visibility at night, especially driving in the hills up here. It's narrow, it's hard to see as it is. And if your headlights are all fogged up and your lights aren't working properly, it's even worse. So we need to get those cleaned up. The Headlight Restoration Kit is easy to use regardless of what level of oxidation may be on your headlights, and there's no tools required.
The product, the way it looks, it looks like it's simple to use and it really comes really nice. So I'm going to continue to use it.
Included in the kit is an oxidation wipe as well as a wipe that adds a coating onto the outside of the lens, so you can be rest assured that the lens isn't going to haze back anytime soon.
I'm very satisfied, and that's the reason. If you look at it, I have products in the shop, and I always shop with the Total Wax product. It's working for me, and when something is working, don't change it. That's it.